Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply customize your home screen on iPhone? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. All you need to do is simply go ahead and hold your thumb on the screen right over here on home screen and tap on the edit button on the top left. And once you simply go ahead and click on the edit button, this is going to go ahead and show up. So you can click on add widgets, add any widgets if you want to. You can also click on edit, click on customize, and you can customize anything if you want to. So dark themes, clear themes, or you can choose anything that you want to. You can also simply go ahead and do something like edit and click on edit wallpaper, and you can put photos in here, color gradient if you want to, and so on. You can also go ahead and blur or unblur your image that is in your home screen right over here, as you can see. So I could just go ahead and have it just like that if I don't want to go ahead and blur it. And the other thing you can go ahead and do is tap on the edit button one more time, and then you can simply go ahead and click on edit pages. You can add or just move a page if you want to, whatever you want to do. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you